Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a laptop freezing problem in Windows 10. Let's fix it guys. Just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Startup tab, and you just need to disable high impact apps guys. In Startup Impact section, if you see anything is listed as high, then you just need to right click and select Disable option. After disabling it, just close stuff here. And second step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for these commands guys. Just to copy and paste this first command and press enter. You just need to press Y in your keyboard and press enter. And the volume will be checked next time the system restarts. And now just to close stuff here and restart your PC. I will show the steps after this. Now you just need to don't press any keys guys. This will scan and repair disk errors guys. And the third step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. And check my video description for this second command. Just copy and paste it and press enter. This will fixes corrupted system files that can cause freezing. We just need to wait for this scan to get 100 stage complete. After this scan get completed, just close stuff here. For the step, you just need to open up Chrome and search driver booster. Select the first site. Select the free download option. After getting download done, click on it and install it. After the installation done, open the driver booster software. Select the scan option. This is totally free to use software guys. Just need to select the update now option to install all the latest update. After updating all your drivers, just close stuff here. Fifth step, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Go to advanced tab. Under performance, select settings. Go to advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck this automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, select the C drive and select this custom size. And now go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here, you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. In my case, 8 GB RAM. After knowing that, just to close tab here and check my video description for this install size value and maximum size value. Just to copy the value depends on your RAM and paste it in install size. Same thing for maximum size. Copy the value and paste it in maximum size. Select the set option. Now the value should be set under paging file size and select OK and select OK, apply and OK and OK and restart now option. After restarting our PC, just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. On left side, select virus and threat protection and select the scan options and select this full scan option and select a scan now. And this will take lots of time, so run this scan in your background. And after following these steps, your problem should be fixed guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.